Hello everyone, welcome to the computer science section of Info Index. In this video, I'll be introducing some basic concepts of programming on top of some general information for you to start your journey in becoming a computer scientist. The programming language that I'll be using throughout the video is Java, and it is a very popular and beginner-friendly coding language. The application that I'll be using is Eclipse, although I do also recommend IntelliJ for programming in Java. So computer programming is based off of a combination of four actions: input, storage, process, and output. For input, we're going to take in input from the console. And to do this, we simply create what is called a scanner or buffer reader. We can get input by using built-in function of Java that is part of the scanner and buffer reader class. For storage, there are 8 primitive data types on top of a special data type. First, there is Boolean. This is the smaller data type of all since it can only hold one of two things, true or false. Then there are 4 whole number data types, from the smallest to largest: byte, short, int, and long. These 4 each hold a whole number of different sizes. A byte can hold a number from -2 to the 7 to 2 to the 7 minus 1. A short can hold a number from -2 to the 15 to 2 to the 15 minus 1. An int can hold a number from -2 to the 31 to 2 to the 31 minus 1. A long can hold a number from -2 to the 63 to 2 to the 63 minus 1. For decimals, Java gives 2 options to store them. One is float, which takes up 32 bits, and another is double, which takes up 64 bits. Java also has a data type that stores single characters, called char. It stores it in the form of an ASCII value. An example of an ASCII table, which shows a collection of ASCII values and their corresponding character, such as the ASCII value of 65 corresponds to the character of A, and so on. The last type, which is string, is not a primitive data type. In Java, strings are implemented as object, but in a lot of languages are implemented as an array. However, for now, just think of them as a collection of char. Lastly, for output, we'll also be using the console, and to do so, we invoke the function system.out.print or system.out.println with what we want to print inside the brackets. The two are similar yet different in the way that system.out.print will only print the argument, but system.out.println will print the argument, and it'll also make the console go to the next line. And to end this video, we'll be writing the most basic program that everyone writes as their first program, which is system.out.println hello world. And when we run that, save the project, hello world.